Hi, Councillor Steve Pitt here. I'm the leader of Portsmouth City Council, and we're here today at Hilsea Lido. The Lido's always been really important to the people of Portsmouth. Lots of growing up done here, learning to swim, having great fun with families. It's also been quite famous at different times, involved in the rock opera Tommy, and also a swimming destination for the late great Sean Connery. And it's really important that we're looking at delivering an asset that we have for now and into the future. So this renovation at Hilsea Lido is being funded through Levelling Up Fund money that was secured from the national government. The project itself is being delivered by Beard, who've been an amazing construction partner, wanting to make it a huge success. So we're grateful for the Levelling Up Fund money. It's been an enabler here to bring an asset into use that we would have struggled to have done otherwise. So for a while, the council's been looking for the right partner to take this project forward and operate it into the future, and we're absolutely thrilled that we've been able to form that partnership with the people who run Sea Lanes in Brighton. And to have them on board with their expertise is going to make this asset thrive into the future, making sure that future generations can benefit from Hilsea Lido.
We opened Sea Lanes Brighton on Brighton Beach, and our vision was to create a pool which acts as a stepping stone to the sea to encourage more people to enjoy open water swimming. The 50-metre open air heated pool is supported by a village of health and wellbeing businesses, including yoga, cycling, swim coaching, and a gym, alongside food and drink businesses as well. In the 2 years that Sea Lanes has been open, we've been blown away by its popularity and success, and are thankful to the community that support it every day. Our ambition for Hilsea Lido is to create an all-season destination for health and wellbeing within the city of Portsmouth. We plan to create a destination for the whole community, from your early morning endurance swimmers to your families looking for a fun day out. Our redevelopment plans have 2 phases, the first phase being the pop-up, where we'll be adding additional health and wellbeing and food and drink offers. And the first phase with the pop-up will inform phase 2 for the entire regeneration of the Lido site.
South Downs Leisure are going to be operating Hilsea Lido and the splash pad. We run leisure sites on the south coast from as far away as Brighton and all the way across now to Hilsea here in Portsmouth. Most of the operations or centres that we run are for the community. I live locally, I live just down the road in Cosham, and I've spoke to lots of people, local people, and they're all very excited to hear about Hilsea coming back, and they're looking forward to opening. I'm standing in a tent today, and the reason for that is to allow the pool area to be tiled and dried as they line the pool liner. Hilsea Lido will bring a safe aspect to open water swimming, and we're hoping to allow that all year round, so people will be able to come to Hilsea during the winter months when perhaps it's a little bit colder in the sea and potentially more dangerous, so you'll be able to swim in a safe environment. But not only that, Hilsea will also provide an opportunity for kids and families to come back and splash around in the summer. The design of Hilsea has slightly changed, but more for everybody. So the area I'm in now is ramped and will give more access to people with coming back from injury, or if you're in a wheelchair, or even just mobility issues. And this area also will lend itself to families and small children to be able to ease into the pool in a safe way. Hilsea will also have a brand new plant room, which will allow excellent water quality and will allow Hilsea to remain operational for years to come.
So what we're seeing here at the Lido is part of a package of investment that the council's made in recent years in our sports and leisure facilities. These are really important investments to make sure that Portsmouth has sports and leisure facilities fit for use into the future.
We're excited to lead the next chapter of Hilsea Lido's history, building on the fantastic work the Portsmouth City Council have done with the restoration of the pool. It's clear how important it is to the local community. We share in the excitement of reopening that and looking forward to a swim in the pool when it's ready.